Got this 3 Series wagon here. Just got the tranny out. Doing a 6-speed 3-liter swap. Currently a 2.5. Going to drop in a 3-liter. As you can see, I got the transmission out already. Taking the transmission out, you gotta take the exhaust out, the heat shield out, take the drive shaft out, and you can pretty much get to everything underneath for the transmission to come out. There's a little hole over here for your torque converter bolts. But I already done most everything up top. Harness and all that's been disconnected. You can see I set the AC compressor aside right here. Damn drain plug broke out. I gotta fix that. Probably have to take the radiator out anyways to be able to fit the motor out without them clashing into each other. It's gonna be more space. But yeah, gonna be a 3-liter 6-speed when we're done. Should turn out pretty nice, hopefully. Stay tuned for more. I'm gonna get this motor out, and we'll start dropping in the 3-liter 6-speed. Be updates to come on with that.